welcome back to the channel. Now, if you're trying to get into information technology help desk, any of the IT support roles or any information technology role where you'll be dealing with end users on a daily basis. Now, if you ever worked in customer service and any type of job like this where you're dealing with people on a consistent basis, you probably ran into those type of people before. It's all about just holding your cool, holding your composure, knowing why you are there, knowing that you're there to work, get paid, pay your bills, and do your job to the best of your abilities without letting no one get in the way of you doing that. On the IT perspective, it's similar. I just want to talk about some of the types of end users that I've dealt with. Number one would be the end user that just lets you do your job. They're very cool, very nice. They're not disrespectful, very, very respectful. If you could get to their ticket as soon as they submit it, or you could get to their ticket a day or two after, as long as the issue is not stopping them from doing their job, they're okay. They'll be like, it's okay, it's fine. Just let me know when you can. They'll accommodate you. They work more like they have an understanding, like things are not gonna go the way how I want it to go. The world doesn't revolve around me. Those are usually the most coolest people to deal with. If they submit a ticket, it's because they really need your help. The second type of end user that I want to talk about is the tech savvy one. Those type of end users are very cool. The only thing is when you work in IT, information technology, or any field, like for example, if you are a mechanic or whatever, you have someone bringing in their car, they work on cars too, they're trying to tell you how to do your job. They're like, if you know how to do it, why bring your car in? It's the same exact thing that you're going to deal with. You're going to have those type of end users, the tech savvy ones that feel like they know what's going on, or they could tell you what's going on, or whatever the case may be. It's okay to have those type of people because I always believe in people learning. There are people that are really good with computers or tech savvy enough to fix certain issues. They're just in a different field. My biggest thing is if you're tech savvy enough to fix the issue, just fix it instead of submitting a ticket, wasting time, or taking up the space of someone else who probably really needed the help. Don't submit the ticket when help calls. You're telling them what to do, you disturbing them from getting the work done. When you submit a ticket, it should be because you have no idea what is going wrong. You could let that person go ahead and do their work without you disturbing them. For me, that's the only issue I would have with people like that. If you know what's going on, go ahead, try to fix it, document what you've tried. And when any of the techs call, we could just pick up where you left off, get to work without having that person over our shoulders, breathing every second, trying to take control. Because if you work in IT, you can remote into people's devices. Sometimes you're trying to get something done, you remote into a device, you work in, and all of a sudden they take control. It's like both of y'all fighting for control. You're like, if you know what to do, fix it. I'm gonna be 100% honest with you. Most of the users that I meet like that, most of the tech savvy ones, 99% of the times, they don't even know how to fix the issue. Now, the third type of user that I've come across is the type that always feel like you should stop whatever you're doing to come and help them. You're going to meet those type of end users, the type that they submit a ticket and 5 seconds after submitting the ticket, they expect someone to call them. If you don't reach out to them, they're complaining. They're reaching out to the bosses. You're going to get your boss DMing you and telling you, I have this person that needs help. Can you reach out to them? When you check the ticket that they submitted, it was like 2 minutes ago. You're like, I have a whole heap of other tickets and other people to help. This person trying to make it seem like their issue is so crazy. When you remote into their device, their issue is like, takes like a couple seconds to fix, couple minutes to fix. They're not having no big issue. I hate dealing with those type of people because a lot of times they have no respect. The most demanding people, a lot of times they don't have any respect. They don't know how to say good morning, good afternoon, thank you, excuse me, do you mind helping me with this? Do you mind? They don't have none of this. When you read their tickets and you pick up the phone when they call, or when you call them, it sounds like you bothering them. They're submitting a ticket to you and you calling them to help. They sound like you bothering them. When you try to help them, it's always something. You're gonna meet those type of people, man. They're just very demanding. They're gonna want you to stop what you're doing to help them. They're gonna feel like you owe them something. They're gonna feel they act like they're your boss. Those type of people, you just gotta know how to stay away from, in a sense. If you don't need to help them, then you guys really don't have nothing to talk about. For me, that's the type of people that I've met so far. The best advice I have is just always know the type of person that you're dealing with. Just always know that. Once you know you're going to be talking or dealing, once you're going to be dealing with somebody that's difficult, try to say as less as possible when they're talking. I find like me responding and just saying, let's say they're talking, and me just responding, I understand. Don't try to go back and forth. You don't even got to give your opinion. Don't give, no, I understand. Let me take a look at this. I understand. I feel you. I feel you. Just keep it like that. Because now it's just them speaking and you just responding with, I understand, I feel you, I get it. That's it. You probably don't even get half what they're saying. You probably don't agree with half of what they're saying. I get it. I understand. Just to hurry up, do what you're doing and get off their device and then move on. Man, guys, this is just how it is. Different types of people you're going to be dealing with. Like I said, if you are a person who worked in support or whatever, trust me, you definitely have dealt with that before. Appreciate you guys for locking in. I'll see y'all in the next video.